In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock files in Google Drive using the Lock, Unlock File for Drive app. We'll start right in your browser. Head to drive.google.com and sign into your Google account. You'll be working directly from Google Drive, so everything you do here will update in your Drive automatically. If you haven't added the app yet, click the New button, go to More, and choose Connect More Apps. Search for Lock, Unlock File for Drive and make sure it's installed. If you already have it, you can skip that part. Next, open the app by clicking New, then More, and selecting Lock, Unlock File for Drive. The app window will appear on top of your drive, and this is where you'll manage the locking and unlocking process. Click Select Files from Google Drive, then browse and choose the files you want to work with. You can select multiple files at once, which is handy, though the app can handle only up to 3 operations simultaneously, so plan your batches accordingly. To lock files, look for the Lock Read Only reason field and type a brief explanation. This note helps you and your collaborators understand why a file is read only, which is especially useful for shared documents or time-sensitive materials. When you're ready, click Lock All Files. Locking a file prevents changes to its content, its title, and even its comments, so double-check your selection before you proceed. To unlock files, select the locked items in the app's list and click Unlock All Files. If you prefer, unlocking can also be done from the Drive web interface using the Unlock option in the menu, but the app keeps everything in one place. In both cases, remember that you must have Edit or Writer permission on a file to lock or unlock it. If something doesn't work, that's usually the first thing to verify. As the app runs, keep an eye on the log panel. It will show you which files were successfully locked or unlocked and flag any that didn't go through. This is a reliable way to confirm the status, especially if you're working with multiple items. When you're finished, simply close the app. All changes will reflect in Google Drive, and you can continue working as normal. That's how you lock and unlock files in Google Drive using the Lock Unlock File for Drive app. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.